Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. This is just a quick video to show you how to put on or install a ratchet strap. This is for a trailer. This is for a what they call a winch system with a track. So this is a special, what is it about? I think a 4-inch strap that goes into this special winch system. And this is the one that we're going to install on. And this winch system can move side to side like this on a track that we just installed here. I'm going to have a separate video to show you how to install that track. But yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so first thing that you need to notice is that we want the red marking here to be outside the bundle of straps. So we will start with the strap, the red facing downward, and we're going to feed it through completely to the other side like that, and then we're gonna wrap it on the top. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. Sorry, I don't have a camera guy. All right, so that's basically what I did there is I make it go through and then loop it back, and then the red is on top. And I would like to have a slack about a little bit more than a foot right there. So the more slack that you have, the safer it is, because it's going to create more friction. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to roll this in. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and roll it just the same way that if you would rolling this up. And as you can see, trying to keep that straight there, it's going to roll upon itself, and that's how it's keeping tight right there. It's because when I'm rolling it, it's basically being stacked on top of each other right there. All right, so just keep on rolling it until it's completely in there. And now I'm tugging on it. It'll never come out, because these straps are designed to be I guess friction against its own surface. And so as you can see, the red line is on top, and that's how we want it to be. And by the time I'm finished rolling all this up, it will look exactly like this one right here, where the end of the hook here is going to be hooking inside towards the trailer. All right, so that's it. That's just want to create that video of how to secure that first initial wrap if you are installing a strap to a track winch system like this. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.